Larson Electronics power distribution substation converts three-phase 480-volt AC electrical current to three-phase 208Y and 120-volt AC. This fully enclosed power distribution unit provides operators with the ability to safely tap into and distribute 480-volt AC power from a variety of sources. This power distribution unit is fully enclosed and ruggedly constructed to withstand demanding conditions and industrial applications. The power distribution system is constructed of steel with a polyester powder-coated blue finish for durability against dirt, moisture, and mild corrosion. These units are fully customizable. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.